Trio Markus je pakistanskega pevca in glasbenika Shahzada Santoo Khana spoznal po naključju prek družbenih omrežij. Preplet tradicionalnega pakistanskega kavalija in živahne elektronske glasbe je s francoskim pridihom ter ščepcem psihedeličnih in zapeljivih harmonij ustvaril vznemirljivo, osupljivo in izvirno glasbeno poslastico.
This country is beautiful, it's very sweet, and I hope we come back one day.
Yes, yes. You know, I am first time here. Many countries is performing festival. You know, work is together. Many festival. You know, first time here for me, and it's very enjoy. Go to in Castel. It's very sweet, it's very beautiful. It's my pleasure for here performing in festival. Thank you.
What kind of an atmosphere do you want to make on this evening's concert?
The concert, it's a concert of fest, of joy, of dancing. We like when people dancing on the public, singing some part of the song very easy to do with us. It's a hot concert. For us, that's what we want.
And what about the messages that you are singing through the songs?
Yes, message is my message as my country message, music. You know, Sufi music, kavalija music, and together in the love. All peoples, no Muslim different, Christian different. I think no. It's me message for all people in the joint. All is love. And love, love, love.
Only love.
Yes.
Yes.
And you come from different countries, but you came to meet yourselves through social media.
Yes.
What's the story about that?
Yes. You know, I ask. It's very difficult stories. Yes. You know, I think for you look first time in social media. I think social media in fake. Maybe in fake in Facebook. I like my I like when Markus pick, and after messages messengers talk about, and after hello blah blah blah. And after this man is wood player. Hey, you wood player. Me kavalija singer. Ask for mark for me. Okay, I send your music, and okay, and send for music. I check, listen in French music, and after I joined in kavalija Pakistani music. You know, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. But language, music language, all of the world, and only one language, music. I think and after I'm sing, mixing for track, and after send mark.
And I said, wow. I said it's beautiful, it's very interesting by the recording in Pakistan. So we decided to work together. We record 2 tracks, 3 tracks, 4, and after one concert in France. He's coming in France for one concert and for meeting. Really, in the real life, it's better. and after the story.
ਜਦੋਂ ਬੁੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਫਕੀਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੁੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਫਕੀਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬੰਨੇ ਘੁੰਗਰੂ ਤੇ ਮਸਤ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬੰਨੇ ਘੁੰਗਰੂ ਤੇ ਮਸਤ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੁੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਫਕੀਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੁੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਫਕੀਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਬੰਨੇ ਘੁੰਗਰੂ ਤੇ ਮਸਤ ਮਲੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਜਦੋਂ ਬੁੱਲੇ ਦਾ ਫਕੀਰਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਸੰਗ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ
How many years has it been since that?
5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
And where were you before the group was formed? Where were you separately as musicians before you started playing together?
Me, I'm working many band in my country, band of French music. But also a band Markus in trio, but we miss a singer. The singer is not here. It's not very good. But Shahzad is a singer of kavalija music in his country, very famous. He play all the time, all the year. We were on big tour in Pakistan. In Pakistan, always concert.
And since it's your first time here in Slovenia, how do you feel your music goes through people who hear it for the first time?
It's my feel. It's very beautiful for my eyes and feel. And I think this night is music enjoy and good music play and together I think enjoy for public for my music and it's very different different countries and joined is very good music lyrics is very good music oud and battery and drum and keyboard computer electric is very good. I think is enjoy for festival.
It's not a conspiration. This is a story. It's a story about hurt and music. So I hope the people who have hurt appreciate this night the music.
Yes, I hope is my music is appreciated. I enjoy.
I see all the programmation of the concert. It's very good artist. I'm very proud to be with this artist because I like it very, very much. All. For me, it's very good. Thank you.
Hvala. Thank you.
Thank you, Ocarina.
Ocarina, yes.